Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed. This is aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is our Rainbowseed maintenance, and it is a weekly light body calibration. Now let's get into what the main focus is. What is the goal of this week's light body focus? Central sunlight. Be activated by loving light from the portal within. Central sunlight. Be activated by the loving portal from within. This feels very aligning. This card feels very ego forgiving because it's talking about the sun and the sunlight. What is your central sun? It's not seeking external validation. So your light body is meant to be lit from within, not from outside. So be activated by the portal from within you. I feel as though this week your light needs to spark not from others. I feel as though a lot of times our spark will be motivated by other people and experiences around us. But this week is going to show how and where your light comes from. So that's very, very exciting. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically? So this is going to put together when you are activated by the loving light from within yourself. Energetically, what does that upgrade? We're getting observe, beautiful owl spirit. This is loving eyes see all. Equanimity, seeing the truth and stepping back. Ooh. Okay, so a lot of this is saying only observe. You are not meant to be the light for others. How can you be the light for yourself? And others are not meant to be the light for you. So it's really saying step back, see the truth of what it is, see your own light. It's going to help you see beauty in the world. And this is making so much sense because I have noticed a lot of people losing their faith, losing their hope, losing their motivation for this new timeline and holding on to the old timeline, the fearful looping. Wow. Energetically, you're upgrading to observing, so being in this realm but not of it. And I feel like that can be so challenging when we want to engage. But engaging is not seeing the truth in the situation. Engaging can actually do more harm than good. So let's see which chakra needs maintenance. Which chakra is needing maintenance while we are being activated by this loving light? Activating our portal and observing our light. Well, this was, of course, the solar plexus chakra. This is where your ego sits. This is right away when I said central sun, I knew something with our solar plexus was going to be coming through. And this is how you present yourself and connect with other beings. This is your physical aspect. And we're seeing an upgrade because you're recognizing your light is not required to perform for others. And I feel as though this is installing a new identity. I feel as though this is recognizing an aspect of yourself that sees love everywhere, which is helping you step back and see things for what they actually are. And there's almost this another part that's really highlighting there's no more wanting to get rid of your ego. There's actually a mutual understanding of why the ego is around and how to work with the ego as a tool rather than shaming it and disconnecting ourselves from it. There's a new confidence with you that doesn't have to intervene with others. This new confidence gets to engage by observing, not engage by performing. Let's see who is supporting your manifestations this week. Who is supporting this solar plexus? It feels like an installation. I feel as though your light body is focusing on your light from within, and with this observation of stepping back from others and really diving into yourself and seeing the truth all around you from within and then externally, your solar plexus is being installed with a higher dimensional system. This is so exciting because this means that your identity is shifting, it's raising its vibration. So let's see who is supporting this. Star children. So you yourself may be a star seed. You may be connected to star beings. Because I'm getting solar plexus, you could very well be connecting to a star seed self. So if you have had a life as a star being, this could be you illuminating those aspects and recognizing you are able to embody that part of yourself. Or if you work with star beings or have a fellow star seed, they're coming and entering in your life to assist you in inspiring your light, in inspiring how you tap into your own sun. Wow, this is really exciting news. And I am very excited because there are so many different types of star beings and it's very unique, but you're beginning to see the truth in how this star being is presenting your natural abilities. Notice how I said natural abilities, not supernatural, or we like to call them gifts, but they've always been within us. It's just being activated. And now it's not that you have a gift, it's more becoming part of your identity. Yes, you're recognizing your gift does not have to be utilized for you to identify it as your gift. There is a sense of a lower dimensional solar plexus that required you to show off your gift in order for it to be true. And now there's a sense of you can observe the world around you and you can sit with yourself and even offer yourself your own gift, your own ability, your own clairvoyant ability, and not have to perform it or prove it to anyone else. Oh, this is such a beautiful reading. Let's see for alignment. To align with not having to prove yourself to others and really being able to sit and enjoy your love and your truth and your true identity with the support of a star being. Let's see what needs some self-care. New blueprints. This is very exciting with the new blueprints because when we think of a blueprint, this is your map on how you can function in the reality that you're experiencing. You've leveled up to a different identity, and that requires a different map. And it's not saying the old blueprint is wrong. It's more overlaying a new blueprint, and you would not have been able to get this new blueprint in this new timeline if you had not already accomplished your previous blueprint. With new blueprints come new soul contracts, new activations, new identity, and this is why you're getting an energetic upgrade on how you observe things around you. Because you have a new blueprint, things are responding differently. Your senses are different. The relationships you have around you are functioning in a different manner. And it's your light that is running the show, so to speak. Because without your light, without your activation and installation of this higher dimensional solar plexus, this new blueprint wouldn't be able to run its program. How exciting. Wow. I'm going to do a deep dive in this for my Rainbowseed Sanctum Patreons. We check out the calibration key to open a door deeper into what this message is serving. If you are part of that collective, thank you so much for supporting my passion and assisting others in their highest path. If you are not, I appreciate you coming through, and I'm very excited to get to know more about which star being is assisting you. Is it a higher self? Are you a star seed yourself? Do you feel the installation of this solar plexus? And what are you observing now with this new blueprint? Are you feeling lighter? Are you feeling heavier? How have you been interpreting this shift? So exciting. Thank you for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow, angelic, star seed, or earth seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Again, tend your seeds, trust the light, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.